Good afternoon, everyone. What I want to bring to you guys' attention today is this awesome lock right here. Let me see here. Let me see if I can get this correct. I've been working on this lock for a while now. As you guys can see, there's only two pins that have no serrations on them, and this is the bitting right here. As you can see, it only has 5 pins. And this is one of the most nastiest locks, made by American, of course. See if we can get baby to focus here for us today. I don't know if she's going to focus or not. Anyway, as you guys can see, this is one nasty. Oh boy, here we go. Playing games again. This is one nasty lock. Now, I've picked this lock probably, I don't know, 30, 70 different times. As you can see, the pins, oh man. As you can see, let's go ahead and get out of this here. Well, I guess the focus was better going in. As you can see, it's just normal pins. There's no big trick, there's no singing and dancing or anything. It's just normal stuff. So, I took the core to the locksmith to get cleaned up, and he done a heck of a good job. I mean, it's beautiful. But you see what he did? You see what he did with that bar right there? He put that bar in there. And what that does is, that keeps it from kicking back and forth on you. And it also makes it key retaining, which makes it even more of a pain in the behind. But I gotta tell you, the reason I'm making this video is simple. Since I've got it back from the locksmiths, I see that he put in 1 new spring, maybe 2 new springs, and he did clean all the junk out of it. And the actual core housing has all been pretty well cleaned. But since I've got it back from the locksmith, I have not been able to pick it open. This is the pick that I made specifically for Americans, and I've opened up dozens of Americans with that pick right there. And I just can't get it open no more. Sorry about that. I had to let the bow wow out. She was ready to tear the house apart. And this little jewel right here is the pick that I got from Hillbilly. Let me see. Come on, baby, focus for me. There she goes. Look at that handle, man. Is that a sweet handle or what, dude? That is awesome. That is awesome. So, I just wanted to let you all know, I'm not exactly sure what the locksmith did, but he made it virtually impossible to pick. I don't know what he done. It's the same lock. It's the same actuator. You see down there where he put that anti-bypass shim in there? You see how it has that little groove cut in there for this little spike right there? I don't know why he would do that. And I don't know why I can't pick it no more. If you got any ideas, man, let me know. I don't see nothing funny with the pins. I don't see nothing with the actual plug. The plug has not been altered. And unless you count the pin. But I mean, I don't see anything. Come on, baby, focus for me. I don't see anything that's been done to any of it. Why can't I pick it no more? Alright. Y'all have a good day and take care.